Hey Avni, I heard you just started your coaching classes. That's amazing.
Thanks, Neeta. I've been planning this for a while and I'm so glad it's finally coming together.
That's awesome. But starting something like this must have needed a lot of funds. How did you manage it?
I had invested in balanced advantage funds.
Balanced advantage funds. How do they work?
They are mutual funds that adjust their investments between equity and debt based on market conditions. This approach adjusts risk exposure based on market conditions and may align with medium to long-term investment objectives.
That's so smart. Maybe I should start investing for my dream business too.
Absolutely. Just make sure to do thorough research before investing. On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.